TCS iON Digital Manufacturing Solution is a cloud-based enterprise solution which integrates enterprise-wide functions to provide organizations a holistic view of geographically spread business processes. The solution helps companies to identify patterns in price and usage variances to help plan procurement and production capacities dynamically. It streamlines and optimizes procurement operations by automating purchase requisition, payment processing and enabling bulk procurement. The solution streamlines functioning by addressing mandatory taxation, pricing, export, import and standardized procedures. It also enables tracking of costs and revenues per product across locations and monitors the byproducts generated during production to maximize the utilization of raw materials. Organizations can identify loss-making products with the help of this solution, thereby improving the quality of budgeting decisions and ensuring the realization of returns on investment.